In this video, we're going to look at the examples on pages 1 through 9 of the 9-4 slides. So first we've got this example. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 3, -2 with a slope of 2/3. And write the equation in slope-intercept form. So we'll start off by going to the right thing and stopping that. And there we go. Okay, so to do this, we use the formula y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, and then we solve for y. And here is our m, this is our x1 and our y1. So that's y minus -2 equals 2/3 times x minus 3. And I'm going to do some multiplication here. That's y plus 2 equals 2/3 x minus 2. And now I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides of the equation to get y equals 2/3 x minus 4. And there is our equation for that one. Moving on, in our next problem, we're asked to write y equals 2/3 x minus 4 in standard form. In standard form, here is what it says about standard form here. Our variable terms are on the left. The leading term has the x variable and is positive, and the equation contains no fractions. So, to do this, we will start with y equals 2/3 x minus 4, and we will subtract our 2/3 x from both sides of the equation. So that gives us -2/3 x plus y equals -4. And then we're going to multiply everything by a -3. And by doing that, we clear the denominator and get rid of this negative x term. So that gives us 2x minus 3y equals 12. And there is our equation in standard form. Next up. In this next problem, we're asked to find the equation of the line, not fund it, that passes through the points 0, 8, and 5, 0. And write that equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, if it goes through 0, 8, and 5, 0, we already have our y-intercept. Our y-intercept is this point here, it's 0, 8. So that means that in this equation, b equals 8. Then we need to find our slope. Well, let's call this x1, y1, and this x2, y2. And we know that our slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that gives us 0 minus 8 over 5 minus 0, or -8/5. So in slope-intercept form, this equation is y equals -8/5 x plus 8. Back to our slides, we now want to find the equation of the line that passes through the points -3, 4, and 7, 4. Now, looking at these points, we see that they have the same y coordinate. If we have 2 points with the same y coordinate, that means they are on the same horizontal line. In particular, the equation for this line is y equals 4. Nice simple one. For our next problem, we want to find the equation of the line that passes through the points 5, 3, and 5, 7. Well, here we have 2 points that have the same x-intercept, or same x coordinate. And if 2 points have the same x coordinate, then we are looking at a vertical line. Therefore, this equation is just x equals 5. Okay, and I believe this next page, yes, here is the last equation for this, or the last problem for this set of slides. We want to write the equation for a line with a slope of -3 and a y-intercept of 0, 5. Okay, so since we have our slope and we have our y-intercept, this means b equals 5. So then y equals mx plus b gives us the equation y equals -3x plus 5. Again, a nice simple one. That's it for this set of slides. If you have any questions, let me know. Continue this one with the stuff from 10 through 17.